Hello, my fellow eggheads. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to go over how to replace your speakers on your Chromebook. Let's get into it. So the Chromebook is currently unplugged from the power source, from the power cord, and I'm going to go ahead and unplug the battery, being careful not to grab and touch any of the boards because the oils from your hand can cause problems. So grabbing the two tabs on the side, I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. Now I'm going to unplug the speakers right now from their port. If you have trouble getting inside your laptop, inside your Chromebook, we actually have a video down below on how to do that in the description, how to open up your Chromebook. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these out, being careful not to pull too hard and snap anything. It can kind of be difficult sometimes, but now that I have them out, right, grab the other pair and go ahead and replace them. Now, good thing to keep in mind is make sure that you have them set in there really well because they will rattle if they are not set in there correctly. Also, make sure that you reroute the wire correctly because a pinched wire can actually cause a small fire inside your computer. So it is very important to route these cords correctly the way they're supposed to be. If you're not sure if you're going to be able to remember, keep in mind you can take a picture ahead of time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set this back in, making sure it's nice in there secure. And I'm going to make sure it's plugged in snugly because if it's not, then it's not going to work. So keep that in mind. And it's just that simple. But anyway, if you found this video in any way helpful, please like and share. But from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.